Hey guys, today I want to talk about one controversial topic, what is work for free or barter, like a food and product photographer. Like a food and product photographer, you can have offered to work for barter or for free. This you can special have that's offered when you start your photography. Exactly, when you start your business start to think about photography, to do product or food photography. This is controversial topic and photography world, and answer isn't always black and white. Some photographer can really work for free, some can didn't, and really critic some photographer who work for free. But today I want to talk about 5 plus and minus maybe who help you to decide this is good choice for you or not. Let's go. Many times I have like options to work for free or for barter. This is more than for paid jobs sometimes when I can think last 7 years. But before we jump 5 plus and minus from work for free or for barter, if you have problem with food photography, product photography, with the lights, you can always ask, left the question in the comment and I will be answered, or ask me personal. It's no problem, send the email. Or if you want, you can book with me online consultation 1 hour for topic what you choose, help you to understand better what you have problem in food and product photography, and all information about the consultation you find link below. But now back for the 5 first plus what you can have from work for free or product photography. First plus can be building your portfolio. This is good things if you start, you don't have big portfolio experience. You want to work like with the restaurant, like I work with the restaurant. You can think about, you offer the restaurant maybe 2-3 photo for the free. What you coming, you shoot there, you work, and this will be really building your portfolio. The 2-3 photo is maximum. Choice maybe 3-4 restaurant. I will be choice different type of the restaurant, maybe with sushi, with Indian food, something breakfast, English, Italian restaurant. And second things, you can work like photography there, the food and interior. This is good for your portfolio. You can do 2 different of the photo and have your portfolio and grow. And this portfolio help you to find another clients, restaurant clients, say, who will be paid for your job because exactly need the style what you done in this few different restaurants. Second plus is networking opportunity. What I mean, if you work with like owner restaurant, chef restaurant, maybe a person who do marketing for the restaurant and you have connection with them, like your job can recommend you for another place, another job, or the guy who do marketing for exactly for this restaurant what you shoot can work with different type of the restaurant and have different type of the offered work to you. Find your job where there will be pay you. Believe me, if you know more people from your industry what you do, you faster grow, you can have faster more clients. Another plus is experience. Every project bring you new experience. Can be experience to work with new clients, photography different product, photography different things. If you work with restaurant, like me, in my home, I cannot do like restaurant shoot. I can really don't have like lot of different restaurant shoot. Table, plats, show different atmosphere, different style each restaurant. In my home, it's not possible to do that. When I go to the restaurant, I quickly first learn how to work with the lights there in the restaurant. Is artificial lights? I must bring my lamp and work there, or use the lamp, use the natural lights. How work there? Maybe how set up everything completely different. Different angle for photography, the food or stuff. That's really quickly I learn skills for photography. Second, I learn how to work with the clients because every client is different. Every owner restaurant or person who do marketing is completely different, can have different expectation from your job And really this helped me to grow faster, work with the clients and another client. I will be know what to ask, how to work with these clients and have a really good connection with the another clients. Plus number 4 is exposure, because the company what you work and the company post your photo on social media, on website, more place, maybe billboard, who knows, this is that type of the job, what will be use your photo. More people will be know about you, more people will be see your job, what you done for them, and back to you and want to work with you. That's open you another door for another clients. Plus number 5 is the about barter. If you work for barter who bring you some profit, what is good for you, like for me, I have YouTube channel and some company ask me, can I show him lamp or my YouTube for the product? Can I work for product, do one video for this lamp? And believe me, I accept this. Why? Because this lamp was expensive. I think about buy another lamp for myself because I need the lamp for photography, one lamp more. And I really think about buy another lamp. That offer came and I said, okay, I can do one video. I show the product. I show my skills in video. This brings me something what grow my channel. I learn another how to do better video with the product show on my YouTube channel. Another things I have the product what I can use, and the lamp was good product for me. That's I chose this. That was the 5 plus. Now talk about 5 minus what you have when you work for free or for barter. When you work for free, you cannot feel good with this. Sometimes this is not good to work for free because can you put you down? Because you think I am not enough good and people don't want it. Think about you send the pitching for clients and it's 99% is answer no. We wanted work with you, but we don't pay for product. And you think yourself, oh my God, I'm so bad. My photo is not so good. I spent so much time to learn these skills, but I am not good enough to pay company. But it's not that. Company have budget, have money, but try to work, have something for free. And don't think like that. Change the mind, but always think I am good. I can find different better. But this is one minus from work for free. You can really think about yourself worth it. Another minus, you lose opportunities for work, maybe for pay job or do something different. Because you think every project, doesn't matter is pay or not pay. Take the time, consume your time, your skills, everything. And the time what you spend on this project exactly for this potential client, maybe you think in future will be paid, but it's free. You lose the time what you can spend for maybe do better your website, something things. Do better, learn about marketing, how show you better or pitch the clients or something. Or another things, you can find the project what will be paid project, not free project. That is like you lose the opportunity to work something different or grow in your business when you choose to work for free for some clients. You have offered to work for, say, barter. This barter may be so cheap and don't cover your cost because a company can offer you like say peanut butter. We send you 3 different peanut butter. You must photography for us the product, but show how you use this product in the kitchen, like cooking something with this product. Yes. First you spend money extra because you must buy the product. Second things, what you do, you spend the time prepare the food. Later styling, photography or do video, the same, you lose the time. Really, believe me, the peanut butter is cost nothing. You can buy yourself. That is like work for barter. Always choose the barter. What is good for you? What have value for you? Because if it's not value, this will be like minus for yourself. For you don't see value, you lose something. Yes. Minus number 4 is like lose the respect from the clients. Believe me, we are people. If we don't pay for something we have free, we don't respect this. We don't care about this. That's normal. And if you work for clients, he don't care if he don't pay. he will be don't care, he will be don't think you are good, you are value for him company if you work for free. And believe me, later he will be not respect your job, will be don't want pay you because you work for free. Why you don't can work again for free? Yes, and believe me, 99% if you work for free for company, it's like you will be work with free. It's like maybe 1% this company will be wanted work with you later in future for money, normal to pay you. That you lose really value and you waste your time. Last minus 5 is exposure doesn't pay your bills. Everybody have bills. Doesn't matter. I have bills. It's like business bills, normal bills, buy the food, pay bills. But exposure doesn't pay your bills. If companies say, okay, can we use your photo? We show you there and there on social media and tag you. Believe me, this doesn't pay my bills. I'm not sure I will be have clients and company use this to promotion him product, sold him product, make profit from this, and you don't have nothing, zero. That will be really minus for your business. This doesn't bring anything. The 4 things what you should always give the question for yourself before you start to work for free or for barter. Project give you value for your business, for your portfolio. Another question is the project can change from free project to paid project. The question what I give always myself when I must work for a barter is, do I want or do I need these things, this product, this bring me so much value for myself. Last question I give myself is, the time and effort what I spent on this project is really good, so good. And this is something what I always ask myself, this 4 questions before I start to work for free or for barter. Because everybody, the time, skills and the creativity what we have value for company, and company should respect us and pay for the job, not always work for free. And I am interested, did you have the experience work for free and or for barter? And this was good experience or bad experience? Leave the information in the comment.